How to fix Snapchat filter problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat filter problem on Android phone. First open settings and then click battery here and disable power saving mode. You will find it like that. Just click disable and after that just go back, go to apps here and apps again. Now just type here Snapchat and storage and clear cache, and then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and check if there's any update and then update your Snapchat, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.